Hey, how's your day been so far? Not too bad. I had a busy morning at work, but now I'm looking forward to this road trip. How about you? I'm excited too. This drive should be a nice break from the usual routine. By the way, did you remember to pack some snacks for the journey? Absolutely. I've got a bag of chips, some granola bars, and a few bottles of water right here in the back seat. What about music? Did you make a playlist? Yep, I created a playlist last night. It's got a mix of old classics and some new tracks. We won't run out of music options, that's for sure. Great. Music always makes the journey more enjoyable. Oh, and speaking of journeys, have you thought about our first stop? I heard there's a charming little cafe about halfway to our destination. That sounds perfect. A coffee break and some snacks from the cafe would be awesome. Plus, we can stretch our legs a bit. Exactly. It's good to have some stops planned so we don't get too tired. Oh, and remember to keep an eye on the GPS. We wouldn't want to miss any turns. Don't worry, I've got the GPS up and running. I'll make sure we stay on the right track. Hey, do you remember if there are any tolls on this route? I checked beforehand, and there are a couple of toll booths along the way. I've got some cash ready just in case. Perfect, thanks for taking care of that. This road trip is off to a good start. Agreed. It's not just about the destination, but also the journey and the memories we'll make along the way. Couldn't agree more. Alright, let's crank up the music and hit the road. Let's do it. Time to enjoy the ride and have some fun.